Ladies and gents, it's official. I'm retiring from day trading in 2023, sometime this year. So, to some of you, this is a shock. To others, I've already told. Now, I want to tell you what day trading has done for me. And take it from me when I say it has changed my life for the better, guys. Not just the actual activity of day trading, but the skill itself. I also want to tell you why I'm retiring, and most importantly, what's next. Because whatever is next for me, it's next for you too. Because I go where the opportunities go. And we're not going far from the tree, by the way. We're just moving to a different segment of trading. Now, day trading is one of the best skills out there, guys. And whoever pins it down can see a lot of reward and their life changing for the better. But it is time consuming, it is active income, and for a lot of people that don't have enough capital to go into the safe side of trading, which is investing and swing trading, they lean towards day trading because of the reward and because they can use less capital. Now, there is a high failure rate. It is borderline gambling if you don't know what you're doing, and it is addictive. And for that reason, you will find a lot of people not making it. And of course, getting discouraged altogether. For those few that do make it, the success rate, well, you'll see yourself, your life changing. And one thing does not change is that you're still giving time to the market. Now, as you get to another level in your life, where now the money you make doesn't make sense for the time that you use to make that money. Now you are forced to do an analysis where you take the hours worked and the money made, and you do comparison, and it's not worth it, especially at a stage in your life. And this stage is the stage I'm at today, guys. I've made a lot, and it's time for me to use larger capital to try and make the same that I make from this skill called day trading, but with less time consumed. So that's swing trading, of course. And there's no other market to do this in than the one we're in today. I told you this a few months ago during the summer, matter of fact, and look at us, we're 20% back up. But now, for the next 4 years, there's only upside. And for investors and swing traders, and even day traders, those who like to just make trade on the same day and exit, not scalpers, well, this is for you guys. Because the market is going to go through some mood swings, and as a swing trader, or the style I'm going to be using, it's going to depend on these mood swings. So, that's what's next anyways. Now, the reason behind retirement is it's not just time consuming and taking back at the time that I would spend day trading, but it's also, the fact is, I think transparency is a big thing in this industry. I don't want to be constantly making YouTube videos about day trading when I'm not actually doing it, because you'll notice it and you'll feel it in my speech and in my confidence levels as well. I know I'm going to still day trade, just not doing it for a living. I'll probably do it just to have fun. Launch up the laptop with 1,000 or 2 and just trade, because it's very addictive, as I said, and no matter where you go, you always come back to it. But if you do this for a living, your approach needs to be the approach that I taught you. Look, a lot of you think the trader's lifestyle is make one trade, take a helicopter ride. I mean, do you really believe that? You have to actually be dumb and stupid to believe that this is what a trader's lifestyle is. Right? I mean, come on. Just 1 second, guys. Let's just be realistic. That's not a trader's lifestyle. If you want to have a lifestyle like this, you have to be successful. You have to make millions. Right? And when you have millions, you don't want to just make one trade and go take a helicopter ride. This is all stupid. You know what you do? You take your millions, then you go into taking your time back. Okay? And that's the reality of day trading. It's very emotional, time consuming. Your life it takes over your life. So as you get to a level, you'd rather use larger capital to trade short term, 2 to 3 days. And matter of fact, if I make money in a single day, I'll probably take it. So this will benefit you because I'll actually have more time to spend on the chat room. This will not change anything. My analysis will always be released every day. I actually just created a course for January to suit the current market conditions, and even included day trading material, because I know people are still going to day trade because the capital is not enough for them to go swing trading, and I don't even recommend it to go swing trading and investing without having some active income. And you have to get tired. You have to be exhausted at the start to accumulate funds to go do the easy stuff and make enough capital without even worrying. Look, another reason for me retiring from day trading, knowing what I just said here, that is borderline gambling, it's addictive. I don't want to have that on my conscience of somebody taking their life savings or borrowing money from the bank or even their mother's money and day trading because they believe it's 100% gain because somebody on YouTube told them this is the strategy hedge funds use. Shut your mouth. Anybody that says that, guys, is stupid, is an idiot, right? Some people just blab words without understanding there's consequences to this. And that's why I'm very careful with what I post. Not because I'm scared of what regulators, but because the people that are watching are more important than any idiot out there, right? So we have to be very careful of what we share. And I only learned that, of course, later on. So that's another reason, is that I really don't want to share content in that regard. Even though I've done a lot of content, a lot of strategies shared, and I'll leave it in the comment section or description for those guys to actually keep track of day trading videos so you don't lose them, because they're very golden. So that's me done, guys. I'll see you guys very soon. Mark my words, guys, we're gonna be very successful here on YouTube, and I hopefully see you on this journey in the comment sections. Let me know if you're still watching in the comment sections, matter of fact, because I'll have more time to share with you what I know. And I know we're in the best market condition, or a ripe market that's ready to uptrend for the next 2 to 3 years. And of course, we have to take advantage of that. With that being said, I'll see you guys soon. And peace and love as always. Peace.